Coming at you today, we finally have the final review of the Nokia 7 Plus, and as you can see, we have a beautiful phone. It comes to the screen, comes to the quality, comes to design, and as usual, I'm going to start this review by going through the hardware, and then I'm going to the software. But before that, I'll start with the functionality. This is a new addition to the review. So let's talk about this phone functionality. Number one, notifications. So it has a notification, as you can see, on-screen notification. So as soon as your phone moves, it will show your notifications straight away. And as you can see, you can open your phone by double tapping, just like this, just like in the LG phones, or you can just use your fingerprint straight away. Now, in terms of functionality as well, navigation, all you have to do is swiping up through applications, and if you want to see the notification, you can swipe down from the fingerprint, just like the Huawei's, it's like the Nexus phones and the Pixels. So we have two navigation ways. You have the fingerprint navigation, and you have the swipe up navigation for the applications. And this functionality actually is from the Pixels and other phones like the Samsung S9. So once you want to watch the video, all I have to do is, you see the borders over here? All you have to do is just do this. So it will cover all the borders over here. And that's one of the best functionality, as you can see, from Pixel phones. That's one of the functionality, and let's just move this down. Alright, so I'll leave you now with the hardware functionality and how it actually look from closer point. So let's take a quick look at the charger and see what type of charger is this. As you can see, it has 5 volt 2.5 amp, 9 volt 2 amp, and 12 volt 1.5 amp. So this is a quick charge from Qualcomm. So it's a little bit tall, but hey, you know, give me speed, and that's what I want. Another thing comes with the phone is the case, and as you can see, it's little rubber plastic to protect it from bumps and everything, and it's enhanced on the sides, as you can see. So let's try it on the case and see how it looks. Right, there you go. It fits right in there. So they have a hole for the fingerprint, obviously, the flash and the camera and the microphones, as you can see here, which is cool. And another microphone, the speakers, and the type C. So as you can see, notification lights, you get it just like that, on-screen notification. So you cannot just view the on-screen navigation. First you have to double tap, then you can see the you know, whatever message you have here. So you cannot see it from as an ambient, like an AMOLED screen, because it's not an AMOLED. This is an LCD, but it's a high quality LCD, to be honest with you. Phone, we have Android One, we have the logo of Nokia, the fingerprint, and the double cameras, as you can see, covered in copper. Beautiful color, very shiny. We have also the as you can see, the microphone over here. We have the SIM card area, as you can see, and how is the shiny of the copper. It turns from yellow to orange. It's very beautiful. On the front we have the headphone jack, and on the back we have the microphone here. Kind of bigger area for the microphone, usually a small dot, but this one, Nokia, I think they are enhancing the microphones. So I think they have the Ozo company dealing with the microphones. USB Type-C, the speaker over here, very nice looking. The antenna, which is almost visible. Let's take a look at the volume rocker and the power button. There's no texture, but you can easily differentiate if you get used to it. So when it comes to software, everyone knows that this phone has Android 1. Android 1 is very clean software, and there is no any type of bloatware from the carriers. That's why people are really liking this phone, such as also the phones as the Xiaomi Mi A1. It gives you clean software, but in that aspect, you're combining the best of the hardware with the best of software. So let's take a quick look at the setting first. It's as usual: add account, use your voice, network and internet, connected devices. We have the NFC here, so you can use the NFC and Android Beam to transfer your contacts, videos, etc. from phone to another. So if your phone have NFC and you would like to buy this phone, yeah, just save the time for it. Let's go first to the apps and permissions. So we have notifications. It's an on the unlock screen notifications, so you can choose whatever notification to be shown on the screen. And we have app permissions, so you can give permissions to certain apps and others, so you can adjust your permission app from here. So let's go to the battery. As you can see, we have 3 hours 40 minutes of usage, and I opened this box with a 91%, so you can do the calculation. We have the adaptive brightness, so it helps you with the lights, amount of light. You can adjust the sleeping time, and I'm gonna show you what application draws power the most. So I downloaded the Modern Combat 5 because I'm gonna do a gaming test now. And that's it about the battery. So in display, we have a night, for the readers, night light. It's also accessible in the notification channel, so you can just scroll in and get a night. So we have also wallpaper. You can go check the wallpapers over here. Different wallpapers. And some other stuff in the advanced. Storage is it's pretty nice. You can have around 52. So I downloaded a game and some stuff. So you have plenty of storage. You can have SD card up to 265 gigabytes. That's cool too. What else we have here? We have security. So just basic things for security: lock screen, fingerprint, and other stuff. So we have accessibility, and we have the system. I'm going to show you the latest update. This is 8.0, and out of the box, it's on February update. So I'm expecting March or April's update to be announced soon. So that's it about the setting. As you can see, nothing else to say about the software because it's there's no add-ons from the Android one. It's very, very functional, very simple, very easy. I forgot to turn off the night light. That's why the screen was so shallow. Anyways, I was wondering why I'm having this all darkness around. So let's try to play the game here and see how it goes. This is Mortal Kombat. Come on, not Mortal. Modern Combat, yeah. So as you can see, the loading time. You can play this game on full screen with the edges. So that's cool. Let's see how it goes.
Lights up. Strike 2 to Monarch. We're in. Activate tracking. Roger that, Strike 2. Tracking activated. Good luck out there. Over. Solid copy. Strike 2 out. Through here. Watch the edge. Careful.
Alright. So I'll get it closer so you guys see.
On me. Move into cover.
How smooth the game is. And any gamers out there can detect if this is 60 frames per second or 30 frames per second. I don't know. So this is how the games go.
Take him out! Strike 2 to Monarch. Target eliminated. Confirm extraction location. Over.
Alright guys, that's for the gaming test. So that's it guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, any suggestion, I might bring more videos in the next videos, because I'm gonna do versus videos, versus Mate 10, versus Xiaomi Mi A1, etc. If you have any suggestion, let me know in the comment section. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys later.